Moving video and audio will bring incredible sights and sounds to students in classrooms and bulletin board users around the world. Live transmissions and action from previously recorded journeys can be viewed for enjoyment and education. The navigational instrument of the GeoNavigator is a three-dimensional Earth that can be rotated and tilted until a desired location is obtained. Selecting Map will place a view of the area centered on the globe in the window. Selecting a new interface can be accomplished by clicking on any area of the map. Viewing African adventures with video and audio of wildlife, people, expert forums, history, and cultural events, all of which have been captured and transmitted around the world by our GeoNavigator production teams. Traveling back to the current expedition site can be accomplished by selecting Transmission Site or by the use of the GeoNavigator globe. The same icon keys featured in the logbook identify categories of clips. Let's pick Wildlife. An array of selection buttons will appear in the window. Pick Mammals. Pick Seals. Notice the hierarchy buttons to the right, which show the level to which you have descended in the hierarchy. Clicking on any level above returns you to the corresponding level. Pick AVES. Select penguins from these Antarctic birds. Pick Gen 2. Pick Chicks in the Nest. You can now watch the clip by pressing play. Let's select People. Click on Wolfgang Weber. Select Sketchbook. Push play.
It's an important thing to have this sketchbook. So the first thing is just to get it in your brain. To make the sketch is the main thing.
Now try Behind the Scenes. Select Jim Bruton. Pick Mapping Breeding Colony. Push play.
We're using GPS systems to map out the size of this Gen 2 breeding colony in Port Lockroy in Antarctica. And I'm using two GPSs in tandem. One will act in base mode and one will act in rover mode. The base mode will remain stationary, and I will circumnavigate the breeding colony with the GPS, which is in rover mode.
Select Landscape. Choose Iceberg Alley. Push play. The GeoNavigator interface can also receive live transmissions, where interactive forums with experts on site are possible. The user can enter a question into the text field and push send. It can then be received on site for our expert to answer.
How it comes in, it's a very sharp contact. So there was a fracture in this rock. And then this magma came up, and here it split, it followed the fracture there, and this very sharp fracture here.
All this is available for interactive CD-ROM at the present time, and our staff has created this demonstration to show it can be done. This exciting interactive technology and programming will give the bulletin board users and classrooms of the future a chance to be in touch with the four corners of the Earth through the GeoNavigator.